Hello students, now come to next class. In previous video I explained the properties of integers under addition and multiplication. There we learned closure property, commutative, associative, identity, inverse under addition and under multiplication. Now next some properties under subtraction and division also there, that also here only learn, then only go to exercise problems. Okay, next continuationally write there. First listen, properties of integer under subtraction. Under subtraction also first property we are checking closure property. Under subtraction closure property we are checking. The definition is for any integers a comma b, a minus b also an integer. This only a minus b also an integer means that then closure property satisfies. We are checking. Example 8 and 14 I am taking as a integers. Yes, no? 8 and 14 are two integers. If we do subtraction, under subtraction we are checking, that's why a minus b. A minus b, 8 minus 14. 8 minus 14 how much? Minus 6. Okay, 14 have big number, have minus sign, that's why minus 6. Minus 6 also a integer. That's why closure property satisfies under subtraction. Under subtraction. Okay, now come to commutative property, is satisfies or not. Commutative property, what is that? A plus b is equals to b plus a under addition. Yes, no? A plus b is equals to b plus a. But under subtraction we have to check a minus b is equals to b minus a or not. For that reason first I am taking example only. 16 and 12 belongs to integers. So I am checking 16 minus 12 and also you have to check 12 minus 16. 16 minus 12, 4. 12 minus 16, how much is there? Minus 4. 2 both are equal, not equal. So, commutative property not satisfies under subtraction. Only closure property one only satisfies of in integers. Okay, clear? Commutative not satisfies means associative also not satisfied. Okay, clear now? Properties of integers under subtraction only closure property satisfies, commutative and associative not satisfies. Now come to properties of integer under division. Under division is it satisfies or not? We have to check a divided b is possible or not. If two are integers, a divided b is possible or not. One example I am taking minus 28 14. Okay, minus 28 14, if two integers are there, minus 28 and 14 are 2 belongs to z, then I am checking in division, that's why under closure property when doing division this one we are writing as a like this. Yes, no? 14 1 ja, 14 2 ja, minus 2. Minus 2 is belongs to z. Here under division closure property satisfies. But one friend will come, he will say, madam, once you have to check 7 and 21 also integers. Yes, no? So 7 divided by 21 check. 7 divided by 21 means like this. 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. Answer is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is belongs to integer? No. Fraction form any numbers are there in integers? Not there. Only whole numbers 1, 2, 3 positive, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that negative numbers and 0 is there. But 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 7, 3 by 8 like that numbers are there? Not there. So under division closure property not satisfies. Okay. Then closure property not satisfies means commutative also not satisfies. Shall we check once? Madam saying directly. Yes, no? Commutative. Commutative here only I am taking minus 28 divided by 4. Must be is equals to 14 divided by 28. Minus 28. Yes, no? This two equal only coming means a divided b is equals to b divided by a have to come. We are checking minus 28 by 14 means like this. 14 by 20 minus 28 means like this. 14 2 ja minus 2. Here 14 2 ja minus 2, but 1 by minus 1 by 2. 2 both are equal, not equal. If in series of closure, commutative, associative, if closure satisfies means goes to commutative property. Commutative not satisfies means no need to do associative. The two are not satisfied. Okay, here also see closure property satisfies, commutative not satisfies means associative not satisfies. In this closure only not satisfies, that's why commutative also not satisfies. Associative also not satisfies. Okay. Now coming to after this completing, you write up to here. Here closure and commutative not satisfies under division. Sorry, under division. One example right up to here completing after. Come to page number 21. Come to page number 21. In that page number, division by 0 is there. Division by 0 is there in blue lines is there. For any integer, a divided by 0 is not defined, but 0 divided by a equals to 0. In your key points also you wrote that. After completing that one, you have to write this one. Observing textbook, no, I also wrote here. Like this, I only write in your notes. Listen, division by 0. For any integer a divided by 0 not defined. 0 table a will come. No, that's why not defined. But 0 is divided by a table 0 will come because a 0 ja 0. So answer is 0 divided by a means 0. A divided by 0 means not defined. This is so important. And sometimes in middle of the problem also will come. So remember, a divided by 0 is not defined, but 0 divided by a is 0. How explaining here? See, 12 divided by 0. 12 divided by 0 means like that only. Yes, no? 0 table 12 will come. No, so not defined. But another example, 0 divided by 12. 0 divided by 12 means like this. Yes, no? 12 table 0 when will come? 12 0 ja 0. Answer is 0. Understood? Now come to always when 0 table any integer will not come, but any integer table 0 will come. Okay, 0 divided by a is 0. A divided by 0 is not defined. Now come to division by 1. Division by 1. For any integer a divided by 1 is that answer only. For example, if taking minus 8. Minus 8 divided by 1. Minus 8 divided by 1 means like this. Otherwise minus 8 divided by 1. Okay, one table minus 8 when will come? 1 minus 8 ja minus 8. 1 minus 8 ja minus 8 only. Yes, no? So 1 table minus 8 minus 8 only answer. So which integer is divided by 1, that integer only will come. Okay, clear? Okay, up to that property is complete. After goes to exercise 5. In exercise 5 page number 19 is there. Okay, verify first problem I am giving. Be carefully listen. Second problem homework for you. In that first bit 2 problems are there. First I am telling, second one homework. So first one, verify the following. What is mean by verify? Verify means LHS separately find, RHS separately find. 2 finding offs and after the 2 are equal means we verified. Okay, we are checking like that. So here 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 is equals to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3 is there question. So LHS is there, RHS is there. Equals to middle is there means this is equation. In equation LHS is there, RHS is there. LHS, RHS separately we are finding. First I am taking LHS. LHS means left hand side. LHS is which one is there? 18 into big bracket 7 plus of minus 3 is there. We are finding answer. When we are doing like this, bracket of number first we have to find. Bracket of number first 18 into bracket of number this one is there. Bracket 7 plus into minus minus 3 plus into minus minus, that's why 7 minus 3 is there. 18 into 7 minus 3 4. 18 7 ja 18 4 ja 72. This is LHS. Okay, we got LHS. Now come to checking RHS. RHS which one is there? This side, right hand side. Right hand side which one is there? 18 into 7 is there plus 18 into minus 3 is there. Yes, no? Now 18 7 ja how much? 126. Forgot every table. Learn tables regularly. 18 7 ja 126. Now 18 3 ja minus 54 because minus is there. 18 3 ja 54 minus is there. That's why minus 54. Now 126 plus into minus minus 54. 126 minus 54 is 72. Okay, this is RHS. LHS also 72, RHS also 72. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Hence, problem is verified. Like this, therefore, write last. Verified because LHS equals to RHS came, no? LHS is equals to RHS came. 72 equals to 72 came. That's why question which one given, that verified. See how I am writing equals to big root. Don't touch the digits, write neatly. In the second one is there the homework for you. In the second one also verified is there. Verified minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6 is equals to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. LHS separately do, RHS separately do, you will get the answer. Okay. In that second problem, listen now. After completing homework problem, second problems. Come to second problem. In that second problem, for an integer a, what is minus 1 into a equals to? So, for any integer, in answer, for any integer, minus 1 into a, how much? A1 ja, a only, minus a. Completed answer. Okay. In that second one is the determine the integer whose product with minus 1. Whose product with minus 1, he said. Means something number is multiplied. Answer, in answer, something number is multiplied with minus 1. How to get answer? 5. In that which number have to come? Minus 1 table 5 n will come. Minus 1 table 5 n will come. We are so here negative is there, here negative not there. In previous also we did 1 table 5. But minus is there. Minus to how much multiply? Plus will come, minus into minus. So answer is minus 5. Therefore, minus 5 is multiply with minus 1 to get 5. Completed. Okay. Now come to third problem. In that see which one multiplied with multiplying and writing. In this multiplication answer he only given, we are checking for what? Minus 1 table 5 n will come means 1 table 5 ja 1 5 ja 5, but minus is there, minus into minus plus, that's why minus 5 is the answer. Find the product. Find the product, he said to as or wish you to use properties. Some properties are there, some properties are there, multiply and give the answer. I am showing two problems. Okay. 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Here plus is there. Plus is there means how many parts dividing? Multiplication means whole number 1 only. This side also whole number 1 only. So in that both common, minus 48 common is there. Common outside taking 26 in this side, minus 36 is there. This is distributive property. In the distributive property, A into B plus A into C is equals to A into B plus C is there. No, like that. In that both common, this 48 is there. Pencil to do. 48 outside writing means this 48 outside means leftover 26 is there. Here 48 outside is there means here minus 36 is there in bracket writing. Minus 48 outside is there, inside bracket numbers we are doing. 26 plus into minus, minus 36. 26 minus 36 minus 10. Minus into minus plus 48 into 10, 480 is the answer. Okay. In next problem see 15 into minus 25, 4 into 10. See I am changing the places only. Here 25 I am changing second, 10 here sending. So changing the places I am multiplying. 15 10 ja 150, minus is there, into minus plus 25 4 ja 100. Answer is here plus into minus, minus 15,000 is the answer. Minus 15,000. Because here changed the places, once again commutative property used and we did. Here no need to write. If any property used means they are right and right. Next another problems is that homework for you. Okay. I think cleared. Multiplication do correctly. Bye.